Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe with you. Today's recipe is Crockpot Swedish Meatballs. So I'm starting by combining cream of mushroom soup and beef broth. You could just dump this directly in your crock pot if you want. My husband doesn't like the chunks of mushrooms, so I go ahead and I puree mine. So I'm adding that to the crock pot. And then there was some beef broth that didn't fit in that container when I used my emergent blender, so I'm just adding that in. And then I have some salt, pepper, and paprika, and some garlic powder. And all the full measurements and instructions are below in the description box. Also adding 2 tablespoons of steak sauce, and then 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. I say that different every time I say that, so sorry if I butchered that word. But I'm going to add those ingredients and give it a quick little mix. It was super bright in my kitchen that morning. Sorry about that. But once I have that added, I'm going to dump in a 28-ounce bag of frozen meatballs. I'm just using homestyle meatballs. And then you're going to cook that for 4 hours on high. After 4 hours, you can stir in a cup of sour cream. Mix it really well. And then you put the lid back on and let that cook for 30 more minutes, just so the sour cream can melt into it and everything comes back up to temperature. And at that point is when I go ahead and make my noodles as well. This is the kind of noodles I'm making. I do make the entire bag. That doesn't take too long to cook. And when that's done, I just dump them in there and stir everything up. So it's a very quick dinner idea, very simple. There's not much or any like chopping or anything like that. So very quick dinner idea, cooks in 4.5 hours and super delicious. If you guys would like to see more recipes, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I also have a recipes playlist that I will leave below in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.